Welcome into a brand new episode of WSI TV. Enjoy the show.
Hi guys, welcome back to WSI TV. We're back today with another special look at the annual Wealth Summit.
Yes.
So welcome back, Taylor.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, you excited to tell everybody about
So excited, so excited, yes.
So let's get into it. So what is the annual Wealth Summit?
Well, that is a very good question, Leah. The Annual Wealth Summit is a 2-day profit-packed presentation from our in-house experts. So we have Jim Sanson, we have Jordan Bishop, and of course Leah and I are going to be there as also, and the rest of the Midas Legacy and WSI team. So you guys are going to get to meet everybody if you do come out and meet us. And it's just this really great seminar that you get to take advantage of. We talk about stocks, we talk about trading, investments, any way that you really can make money. You know, we have a special bit on real estate this year, and we're going to get into a whole bunch of different things. And there's really no one way to sum it up. If it makes money, basically we've got a way in to do it and to show you guys how to do it. So it's really this action-packed, like totally filled to the brim with ways that you can make money and that you can make money from home easily, stuff that you can definitely implement in your life. So this really great opportunity for you, of course, but we also have to clear some things up. There are some things that the Annual Wealth Summit is not. You may have noticed that we have a picture of Las Vegas when we started. It is in Las Vegas. We're very excited to go there, but we do want to discount that it is not a gambling seminar. So do you want to explain a little bit more about why?
Yeah, so we love to say that Jim loves Vegas, but he hates gambling.
Yes.
Because we don't like that risk. We don't need to go and risk our money. We are not about that risk. That's what the rest of the masses are doing. We're teaching you guys how to make real money in real ways. And that's what this seminar is all about.
Exactly.
It's 2 days of us giving you all the back doors and real estate and to the stock market. We're going to teach you trade secrets, real ways to keep your investments safe, prepare for retirement, real things.
Yes.
It's not a risk of sitting down at the casino table and throwing all your money in and hoping for the best.
Exactly.
No, we're going to give you the smart way to do it.
Yes. So like Leah said, Jim hates gambling, but he loves Vegas. We're going for the backdrop, the scenery. We're going to see Christmas time around there. It's going to be the first weekend in December. We're so excited. But it's also just a chance for you to see us versus them, you know, like you don't have to gamble to take advantage of these opportunities. You can if you'd like. That's completely up to you. But the things that we're going to be doing in this closed doors event is not something that you're risking money for. We have tons of exclusive money-making tactics for you, but you do have to meet us there to get them. So how are you going to get there?
So you're going to get a ticket.
Yes.
Which for the next 2 days only, if you get your ticket, we're going to be waiting with a $100 check for you in Vegas when you meet us. If you have any issues with booking, you can call us. We'll help you out.
Yes, we have a great customer service team ready to answer your questions.
Yeah, and your ticket could even be free when you get there.
Yes.
So we're going to explain how that could be.
Yes. So yes, like Leah said, you have 2 days. If you book your ticket within the next 2 days, we are going to hand you a $100 check just for showing up. And that's before we get into everything else that's going to make you all this money. So another reason why you should join us, not only are we going to give you a whole bunch of other backdoor stuff, Jim is going to disclose his biggest trade secret, which is something that he keeps under wraps, obviously, for very important reasons. But if you do join us in Vegas, he's going to disclose that to you. In addition, we have a very special one-time only blackout WSI TV episode. So do you want to say what is going to be in that episode, Leah?
Yeah, so the blackout episode is going to cover a few things. It's mostly going to be based on a closed door event that Jim attended with one of our past presidents.
We won't say who.
No, I'm not going to say who. You have to come to find out. But this is such exclusive content that we're never going to air this. We're not going to record it. It's not going to be anywhere but at this seminar. So we're going to have Jim and Jordan up here on this table.
Yes.
You'll get to see our table.
The table's coming to Vegas, yes.
But you'll get to see them up here recording an episode like we do every week. But you're only going to see it if you're in that room. So it's going to be a really, really cool and exclusive experience.
Yes, and the reason it's so exclusive is because they are going to disclose a secret document that nobody really knows that it exists, because it can make you $5,600 in 4 days. So you spend 2 days in Vegas, which is a vacation, totally, and you can make $5,600 in less time span than a work week. So honestly, this is really a great benefit for you, and it's only one of the bonuses that we're offering. There's a whole bunch of other free bonuses that we've got, including our 3 books that we have here in front of us.
So you can see them lined up here. We've got Jordan's book. We've got our new book, which is coming out officially in Vegas.
Yes.
And then we've got Jim's most recent book. And all of these have different stuff about how to make money, real estate tips, lifestyle tips, stock market rules.
Yes.
All of that is in here. And we'll be there in person to sign these books for you, give you your free copy, and answer any questions that you guys have about the books or anything else.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So, what do you say? You think you're going to meet us there? We hope that we've proven to you that you really are not risking anything to come meet us in Vegas. We did have a special go out earlier this week showing you how you could get your ticket for free. If you're interested in that, go ahead and check out that video or give us a call. We'd be happy to answer any questions you have, explain how it works, tell you how to get a flight, where to get a flight, anything like that. We're totally here for you, but you only have 2 days to get this special deal where we hand you a $100 check when you walk into Vegas. So if you would like to reserve your seat, which you have very limited time to do, you go to mywealthsummit.com and you can reserve right there. It's super easy, super simple, and we really hope you guys take advantage of it.
Yeah, so it'll be a great time.
Yes.
And again, it's in Vegas because it's a great place to be. It's a vacation for all of us. And we're going to be there talking about real ways to make money while everybody else is gambling. People have called the stock market the biggest casino in the world. We're going to show you why that's not the case. And we're going to show you the difference between the casino where you can go have a fun night out and the real work where we're going to teach you guys how to make real money.
Exactly.
So we hope to see you there.
Thanks for watching the latest episode of WSI TV. Be sure to visit WSITV.com where you can subscribe for free with no contract and gain instant access to the secrets of self-made millionaires via the WSI TV Vault. So go ahead and claim this gift for free now at WSITV.com.